Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another retro unboxing. On this month's episode is the Douglas TBD-1 Devastator in 1/72nd scale. This boxing was released in 1990 and the origin of this tooling can be dated back all the way to 1969. Now a bit of history for you: before America officially entered World War II, the Devastator was the mainstay of the US Navy's torpedo squadrons. Although the TBD-1 was nearly obsolete by the time the war broke out, it still played a significant role in many of the major sea battles in those early months. The wartime markings provided in this kit are for aircraft number 2 of VT-8 at this time. The Devastator was powered by a 900 horsepower Pratt & Whitney twin Wasp radial engine, giving a maximum speed of 206 miles per hour. This is the first time we've seen this coloured decals in all of our retro unboxings. A peach coloured decal sheet. But I must say, they've aged really well. I hope you enjoyed this journey back to 1990 and beyond. As always, we'll see you next time for another retro unboxing. Please like and subscribe.